mahirap din siya basically. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung different, pero siguro kakaiba yung pagiging relentless lang, iba rin for business owners kasi lagi kang nasa bingit ng pagsasara.
So, can you tell us a day in the life of a owner of Linya Linya and what separates you from other entrepreneurs?
Hindi ko alam what separates me from other. I don't think may ano, no, kakaibang-kakaiba with entrepreneurs. It's just that compared to siguro employees, no, na galing naman ako doon, um, siguro yung ano rin yung weekends na hindi, even weekends hindi mo talaga siya control. So, busy ka na nga ng Monday to Friday, potentially bit-bit mo rin yung trabaho mo ng Saturday and Sunday. So, even if you're on a vacation, ano pa rin siya, bit-bit mo pa rin yung trabaho. So, yun. And ako naman, di ko sinasabi na yung mga hindi entrepreneurs, hindi bit-bit ang trabaho. Ano, mahirap din siya basically. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung different. Pero siguro, kakaiba yung pagiging relentless lang, iba rin for business owners. Kasi, lagi kang nasa bingit ng pagsasara.
So, with how saturated the clothing industry is, what made you confident that Linya Linya would gain traction?
Dahil ano, tingin namin hindi kami clothing business. Tingin namin content creators kami. And we create content na may impact sa tao. It just so happens na nilalagay namin siya sa isang tela. No? Alam namin maganda yung quality ng shirts namin, pero we know na yung binibili siya because of the message, because of our designs, not just because of the necessity of wearing shirts.
So, how did you scale from starting in a booth and having this big office in Quezon City? How did you scale from that?
Ano, taking risks lang talaga, being crazy. No, I think crazy move itong ginawa namin. Sisisihan nga namin eh. Never lang. Pero parang bold move siya eh to have our own big space. Pero the idea behind that is gusto namin din maging conducive for work yung mga sales staff namin when they're preparing for our products. Our creative team, they have a space where they can comfortably create fun, engaging content. And ano we converted this space to an event space. So it's really a space for our community, parang amplifying yung mga creative work that we do through events. So meron kaming tinatawag na tayo-tayo. Ano siya, parang regular monthly event siya of different creative work. No? May gigs for music. Um, this Friday, magkakaroon kami